This is the speed log. Speed logs do need cleaning fairly regularly depending on the type of water you're in. And so this happens to be a handy dandy plug. So to take the speed log out, whilst in the water you just have to unscrew it, and it should only be hand tight. So that's loose. If I have this ready in one hand, and notice the direction arrow, there's an arrow there that points to your bow, same as it is on there. Just pull this out, push that back in, tighten it back down by hand, and there we are. And so there is the speed log. That's the paddle wheel. Mine's fairly clean, so doesn't need anything doing to it at this stage apart from putting back in. If you wanted to change the paddle wheel whilst it's out, there's a pin there. Just have to draw that pin, take the paddle wheel out and put the correct paddle wheel in, making sure you have it so that with the arrow pointing forward, the flat faces of the paddle wheel are also pointing forward. Just a reverse. Now these also have a flap. You'll notice that initially water jets in and then it slows down. It still comes in, but there's no panic. That back in, make sure that you're forward and it's seated in its notch, and tighten that back down. And there we are. That's how you clean a paddle wheel whilst in the water.